Okay, let's get with it. The market is going the way of Israel right now. It's just dying. It's just they're going the way of the Palestinian, that war over there, or whatever they're doing. Um, the market is reacting some positively and some negatively. But so I had to, I didn't. All my profits was wiped out this year. I mean, I put it on something else and then wiped it out. But this is when you buy, folks. You don't fear. So I took everything out of my margin account because I was paying interest on some of they were taking my trades and I was paying like 8% interest. And I said, no, I'm not going to do that. I transferred everything over to my cash account. And I went back in. I took all my profits in my other margin account. I put it in where it was. And I said, okay, we're going to start it. We're going to start it. And we're going to start it. Because when you see this, you're going to shock. You're going to say, this knucklehead lost all that money. No, I didn't lose anything. I'm not losing anything, folks. This is what we call risk management. And when you got to deal with risk management, you wait. That's why you patiently wait. It don't move me like I used to. I used to go, no. I had to wait for the right ones, and I'm gonna show you what I did. But first of all, let's go to we only got 15 minutes. So let's share our screen. We're gonna go to our tool because this is where the money went, folks. LAPI, LLLP, MCOM, and SID, and that's about 9 cents now. SAVA went down to 10 cents, and then $10, and then now it's working itself back up. I bought it when I transferred over. I got to $17 a share, and I bought it at $11 a share. That's how you trade. I went back and put in my cash account. Now I'm gonna let it sit. Tesla's down. Everything is down. Tesla got earnings, and they don't expect them to do anything. So I only got 20 of Tesla. But let's look at this one real quick. It's trading 98% below value, earnings expected to grow 74%. And I believe that. I went out and got 19,000 shares of this thing, but I bought it at 72, 73, 74 cents. It's down to 71 cents. But this thing was about 3 weeks ago, it was about $1 something. They did an offering, just like SIDU did an offering today. Now they go and get ready to do some stuff. So I want to show you this one more time. Because look, this is where it was. Remember, I got 19,000 shares at 72 cents. This is where it was in April. Then it just kept steadily going down. And now it's down to it's really down to 71 cents today. Okay? The target for this year is $6. And they already said it's 98 cents below where it's supposed to be. They look at that. For the year, they're down 65%. Last 5 days, they've been down 5%. Okay? This is where they are. It's not on top of the food chain, but like I say, you have the price to sell. Look, it's supposed to be at least $36. Remember, I got 19,000 of them. It's at 72 cents. It's supposed to be $36. That's a fair market value. It's undervalued. And Lockheed and all those boys went and bought millions of them. So I'm expecting something in November. October is one of those months. That's when you really get your bank book out and start buying this stuff. The company is here as far as future, and analyst future growth, and this is industry. So something is going on because they're dealing with satellites just like SIDU and just like, some of these other companies. Okay? You're going to see, why, Darnell, why? My grand she got to stop yelling at me. She's yelling at me. Look at this. Assets. Okay? Look, they debt. Share equity. Lockheed bought it all from them. So they just look, reducing debt. That's what they got to do. Okay? Look at that. Look at the company. I just wanted to show you this. And look, the CEO said Mark Bell still making $7 million. Compensate, got $7 million in compensation. He's been there 2.5 years, and this guy, he's making He's making $1 million, and this guy right here is making $3 million. See, it's chief transformation officer. They don't even have experienced management, experienced board though. Okay, and you can see they only everybody else. Look at these guys are selling, mainly Beach Point. Everybody else is bought. You see nobody buying right now. Institutions on it, individual insiders, hedge funds, public companies, and private companies. Who got the most? This guy right, Lockheed got no. Look, this guy came in the other. It was the first Lockheed back in June. They bought 13 million of them. This guy bought 15 million just recently. Marcus Bell owned 12 million. He ain't going nowhere. And look at Beach Point. They sold out. He got 10 million, so they went down the food chain. Okay. You got BlackRock, got about 5 million of these shares. And they went and bought some more. That's your money, folks. Vanguard went in and bought some more. So something's going on. I got a measly 17,000 shares, so that's okay. I just wanted to show you that because we got to move on. It's about 10 minutes. I got 10 minutes. And another one is this one right here, real quick. MCOM. But they look like they're pitiful, but they're not. They in the fuel, the fuel cell business. These are in mobility. They highly volatile. They just went down. Look, they went from $21 in early 23 down to I think they 3 cents a share, 4 cents a share. Okay. Today they're about 3 cents a share. So you know me, I got 100,000 shares. This is how far they went back. Okay. And they might reverse split, they might do all that, but I think November they doing some things. Okay. They doing some things. I just want to show you this. They up here at the top of the food chain. Look at that. They dip quickly. Something is going on because I've been getting, I got their news before I put 100,000, bought 100,000 shares. PTO is another one that I got out because they reverse split. As soon as they reverse split, but I got out my money. I had TTO, I made my money on them. And then I'm gonna get back in when they drop because I want at least 100 shares when the FDA come in. I had 3,000 shares, but hey, I was hoping. This guy's making $2 million. Look at that. Everybody buying. Why ain't anybody selling this stuff? Look at all these. Okay. General public on most of it. Okay. Vanguard got a little bit. They ain't biting. I got 100,000. Got more than Vanguard. BlackRock only got 10,000 shares. But they got no money. It's pennies. Okay. So let's new share. Let's see what did you do, Grant? Oh, okay. See, I got out of my margin account. You see, I ain't got nothing in there. I sold and then I transferred the money to my cash account. Okay. So let's look at our individual. And I'll get back at it later, but I'm not touching it. I made 13,000 in my margin account this year, but that's okay. I wiped it out by my cash account. So my individual broker, look at that. GovOx and them ain't doing it. I got GovOx, I got Nokia, SDIC. You can tell they at 9 cents now. That's okay. Got 20,000 shares. All these things gonna have. You see, I got SOUN. I kept that in there. VB. These are the ones people say, Darnell, I don't know. These are these COVID things, and they really low right now. 1,000. I got 100 here. Okay, but this is where I put all my money. I put the money. See, this is about 3,000, 4,000. It's gonna get. You just got to bear with me. I put all my money in my business account. Okay. Look what's happening. Apple. I got rid of the rest of these folks. Even Amazon, I got rid of it. And then this one right here, I'm still going. This has got a low super flow. And this is the one, this one, when it goes up, this one go up to $60 in a minute. So I'm leaving it. I'm leaving my seed in the ground. I got to. I'm going for broke. I said, Lord, these are the ones that I think you want me to have. This one is one of these one. This is me thinking now. This is another one. I got 1,000,000 shares here. I got this. This is that. I just got back. I got this one. I pulled that one. This is this oil stock. So I just bought 1,000 of them, but I bought them at 35 cents. Now they 40 cents. So you can see they quickly going up the food chain. This is the one, this one is not doing anything, but it got a nice volume. This said home something. Was it, healthy choice? This right here, HPC, this is this Israel stock. Before, my son gave me this one. I looked it up. I said, well, I'm going to buy it. I bought 3,000 shares at 38 cents. And there's 42 cents. They're in the war. This is the cyber. This is a cyber one. It's called Hub Cybersecurity, and they were about $30 a share. So I do something on it. Look at them; they going up. Israel getting ready to go in and do some damage now. So I bought 3,000 of them at 38 cents. So we gonna see what happens. Intel, I can't resist Intel because something's getting ready. Intel, this is the one I told you. I got 19,000. I went in when they kept dropping. I got at 75 cents now. I got some at 71 cents, but every time they drop, I go back and get some more. I'll probably get 5,000. I want to get 5,000 more of these things because this is the one this is the one that's, so I'm looking to say, the grand, you got to stop. I say, okay, you'll see what happens. MCOM, look at that. That's 4 cents. It really went out of 3 cents. So, something's going on. I just showed you what's going, so these are the things. This can hopefully don't reverse split on. If they do, I still means it's still saying I just sell. But they say they're not. So let's see what they see if they're liars. Okay, Palantir. I went in and got them because they, I made money. I bought them at 16 something, and I sold over in my margin account, and I bought them back here at 17. So, they get down today at 17. So I'm gonna leave that alone. SAVA, you remember I told you SAVA was as high as $19, and then they went down to $17, and I sold them. They were on my margin account. I brought them over here, and they dropped to $10. I mean, $10 a share. So I bought 100 of them at 11. I couldn't catch them at 10, but I got, see, you can see I'm making money. Now they at 14. Okay. SIDU. We know, look at that. I got 100,000 total. And they had 9, I bought them at 11, they really 11 cents if you do the average, 10 to 11 cents. They dropped down 9 because they did an offering yesterday. They did another offering. There's 2 offerings they did in a week. So that dropped them down, but they get ready to go in November. They get ready to be part of that SpaceX stuff. So I'm gonna look at a loss. Look like I lost some money. Yeah, I did, but I must keep my seed in the ground. I'm not taking them out because if I take them out, they did lose. Then you got you got the AT&T. I took them out. They have earnings coming up next week on the 19th. Before, so I got them, and I might go and buy some more. If they keep dropping, I'll go ahead and buy some more. Tesla, I got 20. You can't count Tesla out. Tesla went from, I had them at 269, and they went down to now they're at 251, and they got earnings on the 18th. Confirmed aftermarket close, and nobody expected them to do nothing. That's why I got 20 of them. Just so if they don't do nothing, I can get out of them, and I won't be. But I already made some money on them. And then I got this last one. This is Kathy Woods went in and bought a lot of them. So I said I'll buy it. Let me get 7 more of these things. Okay, I'm gonna buy 7 more. I want 100. I don't know why I had 73. Okay, let me buy this stuff. Okay, there you go. I want 100 of them. So we gonna see, and you can see now This HUBC, I don't know what Israel doing, but Israel doing something. But I got that one. That one. We go up to 30 times that number. You remember, it's on the NASDAQ. It's not an OTC stocks. I got all these on the NASDAQ. And these guys are, they starting to, this go up to tip back up to 10, 11 cents. I didn't broke even. I knocked those things down. So I'm going to see how it is in the next minute. How to see if they're going to break the 10. Let's see. They starting to go down real quick. So I'm not worried about this stuff. So let's see y'all. Look at them. It's going down fast. These guys are really jumping the broom now. Let's see all of them. Okay. It's up $1,700 loss for this day. Look how fast they flying up. Okay, I'm just waiting for it to hook at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, I'm getting out of here. See, look how fast they try. I still I started $72,000 with I started the year with 45. I got 53, 54. Okay. So we see how these things they're gonna do their damage for now. We're gonna see what happens come Monday or Tuesday next week. NASDAQ down, but I'm leaving my seat in the ground. Let me stop. So I lost another 1,000 today. I've been losing all week, but that's okay. Right now, total trading this year, once I calculate my losses, I only made about $1,000. They say, but I want you to look at this real quick. That's my performance. See, Tesla made me $12,000, and TTL. Look what TTL did. Made me $9,000 before I got out of them after they first. They still made me $9,000. And this one, see, these are the ones I'm going back in and I'm gonna look at. Lyft, these. I'm waiting till I gain some money. Even Amazon, NVIDIA, all these guys, Apple, all of them made me some money this year. But I put it back. See what I did? I put them on the ones that's really been killing me is SID. Like say, here it goes, SIDU. I done lost. It looked like I lost money. Wait till they go up to $17. You're gonna see them up $17 a share. Or when it goes up to even go up to 17 cents. This one go up to, if it goes up to 5 cents, it's gonna knock these out. Lappies, look at that. It got me like losing $3,000 almost. But this right here, LLAP, this one all them guys gonna be in the positive before this year's out. You watch, see AT&T, look at AT&T, all these things, all these Palatar. That's why I'm keeping them, all of them. And I'm gonna go back in and buy some more once they start acting like they should. But right now, you got a war, and how people. So we'll see how the end of the year coming. I mean, November's coming. I'm waiting. I'm trying to wait on November and let's see what happens. October is just October. It's always craziness in October. So we go back to positions, and I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna stop sharing. So if you stop screaming at me, Livy, stop screaming. It's gonna get better. And you're going to benefit from that. I'm showing you how to play this stuff. Okay, God bless you. God keep you. God cause his face to shine on you and give you peace. I will see. We're going to look at it Monday. See, I'm showing you the good, bad, and the ugly about the market. A lot of you probably would have had something on your head saying, well, I lost $22,000. Well, what am I doing? That's what I know. I lost, yeah. I lost about, it was 72,000 back down to, I didn't lose anything because I went and bought some cheap. I went to the market, the sale, and we'll see how it goes. God bless you. God keep you. God cause faith to shine on you. There's no winners today. So I'm not a financial advisor. Don't do what I do. You scared. Don't do what I do. May God cause faith to shine on you and give you peace. And God bless you again. In Jesus' name. Bye-bye.